Hello, my name is Keith Hedgespeth. I'm the automotive instructor at the Highland Springs A Center. And today we're going to teach you the steps on how to change a tire. Perhaps you may run into this situation if you have a flat tire on the side of the highway. With me is one of the students, David Davis, and he's going to help us with this project. Step one, especially when you're on the side of the road, if the vehicle is on the ground, you want to loosen the lug nuts. Don't take them completely off, just loosen them. Once you get all the lug nuts loose, you want to securely place the jack under the vehicle, making sure that your ground is level and firm enough to hold the weight of the vehicle. Now, for this demonstration, we do not have the automotive bottle jack that normally would come in the vehicle. We're going to use a hydraulic jack, a floor jack, which most commonly used in the shop. However, being that we're using a floor jack, we're also going to use a jack stand. So David is going to help us situate the jack in the proper position, raise the car, and set the jack stand. After the vehicle has been secured onto the jack stand, then we want to properly remove each one of the wheel studs from the wheel. Once all studs are removed, then we can remove the wheel from the vehicle. In this situation, for this demonstration, we're just going to replace the tire. However, in a real life situation, you will remove the spare from wherever it's located in your vehicle and follow the same steps that we're going to use in replacing this tire. And those steps would be putting the tire back onto the hub and replacing the lug nuts. Be sure to start all of your lug nuts by hand. Once all your studs are firmly snug, not tightened, firmly snugged on your vehicle, next you want to raise the vehicle with the jack, remove the jack stand, and lower the vehicle. Then again, you want to tighten all of your wheel studs. And friends, that is about it as far as it takes to change a tire. Be sure that your environment or your surroundings are safe when you go to replace your tire. Thank you once again for watching, and please subscribe to Henrico CTE for more how-to videos. Have a great day.